I don't like to tell kids what to do because human beings don't like to be told what to do. Like, for example, does anybody here have any desire to raise both your hands in the air? Okay, so you had that desire before I said it? You just sort of hands in the air. So, some people have this natural desire to raise both hands in the air, and it's fine. Other people really aren't really thinking about it until I say, you're not allowed to, because I said, so from now on, you're not allowed to raise your hands, and that's it. Good. Okay. Oh, there you go. Okay, right. So yeah, look how happy she is. Look how happy. She not only raised her hands real fast, she's like, I did it, I did it, I did it. And he's like, story of my life. Okay, so a pre-frame is a way to give a child a hint or a suggestion as to what you want them to do without telling them what you want them to do.